guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to share you my new outfit. Kabibili ko. I just buy this, guys. Yeah, I just buy. I just buy in my mind. I just make this. Yes. Isang tingin mo lang, pani na ang aking mukha. Di mo ba naaalala ang aking mga mata? Oh babe, isang ngiti mo lang, pawi na ang aking uhaw. Bakit ka nauuhaw? Baka naman mainit dyan. Oh babe, talagang mahal kita, kahit pa mukhang tanga ang aking pinagagawa. Pang good vibes lang naman yan, babe. Oh babe, ang outfit ko pala ukay sa kabinet. Nangukay ako ngayon, nakita ang ganito. At babe, ginawa ko lang naman, tali sa katawan. Sa lahat, guys, good vibes lang tayo, guys. Salamat, God bless you all. Have a nice day. Magpapaalam muna ako dahil magtatrabaho ka. I will do my things because it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon here. I didn't start yet. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you for 177 subscribers. Thank you very much. God bless.